Hello everyone, I am your maths teacher Priyanka from the CPS and I hope everyone is fit and fine at home, children. Okay, so today we will do the revision of the exercise 2.2. Okay, and in exercise 2.2 we are having the topic is your subtraction. So firstly we will discuss about the some of the properties about the subtraction. Which properties? Properties of subtraction. Okay, so your first property is your children order property. Firstly we will discuss about that order property. The order of the numbers involved in subtraction matters. Means in subtraction, children, numbers of order of your numbers, that is matters. Means we can't interchange the order of the numbers. Means 2 lakh is minus 1 lakh, that is your 1 lakh. But if you can say 1 lakh minus 2 lakh, that is not possible. Means this is possible, but the answer will become in the negative form. Okay, so but according to you children, means the order of the order of the numbers involved in subtraction, that is your matters. Okay, means we can't change the order of the subtraction. Okay, means biggest number you have to write at front side and lowest number you have to write it at the back side. So next property is of your property of the zero. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from a number. When 0 is subtracted from a number. Means from any number, whenever 0 will be subtracted, always the number, means always your difference is here. The difference is the number itself. Okay, the difference of is your number itself. Okay, and next property is of your subtraction of the number itself. Subtraction of the number itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. Means whenever two same numbers, whenever we will subtract two same numbers, and always your difference will become 0. Okay, whenever we will subtract any two same number, then your difference will come always be 0. Okay children, and here we are having one example that is here related to subtraction. Subtract this from this. Whenever, take care of this thing children, whenever you are having the from, whenever you are having from, always your last number you have to write it at the front side, up side, and this one number you have to write it at the down side. But this thing will happen only whenever you are having from. Okay, so take care of this thing. And first number at the top of the number, that is called your minus, and the second one is called your subtrahend, and answer is called your difference. And I hope this you know very well, because whenever we have done this topic, and that time we have done what is your minus, what is your subtrahend, and what is your difference. So here we have to do that subtraction, simple subtraction, you know very well. 4 minus 2 is your 2, and here from 3 is there, so we can't subtract, so you have to take it borrow. Okay, so 13 minus 6 is your 7. Like this you have to just subtract all the numbers, and afterwards you will get your answer. But take care of this thing children, whenever you are having the from, you have to write it last number, you have to write it at the top side, up side, and this one number will become at the down side. Okay, so again I am speaking, so listen it carefully. Today what we have done children, today we have done that properties of the subtraction. First one, properties of your order property. In your order property, order of the numbers, that is your matter. Second property is your of 0, means when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number always be itself. And third one, properties of your subtraction of the number itself, means whenever we will subtract any two same number, always you will get the differences of your 0. Okay, and I hope this subtraction also you understood, and I hope it's clear to you children. Okay, good day.